To install LockDown Browser for Windows, first be sure you're logged into your Windows system as a local administrator with full rights. Then go to the unique download link for your institution, which is provided by your instructor or posted inside your online course. When you reach the download screen, look in the middle section to verify the browser has identified your device type and operating system. You may want to review the video on the left that explains the basic features of LockDown Browser and why your institution is requiring it for your exams. After viewing the video, click the Install Now button. The browser will start to install to your device. Once it is downloaded, click to open the installation file. Windows will then prompt you to allow the program. Select Yes. And then the first step is to choose a setup language. In this example, we'll choose English and click Next. You'll be prompted to accept the license agreement. Click Next, and after a brief period, you'll be prompted to finish the installation. So click Finish. When the installation is complete, an icon will appear on the Windows desktop. Be sure to follow the directions provided by your instructor to start your test that requires LockDown Browser, either by using this desktop icon or launching the browser from within your online course.